ngenda kuyisamuko mu round up ekire kyakesezza olunaku olwaleero presidential debate yabaddewo ku NTV nga we yagenze Bobi Wine Kyakozze President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni byonna byonna mbikuleetedde mweno recap. On top of that nkuddemu n'ekibuuzo Sandra yabuuza Mr. President. Ne President engeri yazzeemu ekibuuzo kya Sandra abantu basigadde balinga nabo abalina ekikulukuto. Yamugereza ku nsonga ya kikulukuto kwegana nabo basigadde balinga abali mu kekikulukuto amakulu mu kyo bayinga abataategedde then oluvannyuma ngenda kuterako Vinka ne Bawe omulungi bambi Vinka ataddemu amaanyi mu kulaba nga banoonya akaluye wamu ne Bawe kubeera nga Bawe ayingira parliament eno egenda bira parliament ya kumeka ya 12 ya 11 sobira ye 12 the 11th parliament nsubira ye 12 so byonna nukana akatambi kankusaba subscribing on get notification bell toja kwa yango missing updates na ddala nga zino.
Really hoped to meet General Museveni here so I could publicly face him and hear what more lies he has to tell us after 40 years, to hear from him straight the gains he's protecting. Is he protecting the potholes? Is he protecting the rotten hospitals? Is he protecting the broken down schools, the broken down infrastructure? Is he protecting his power and right to torture citizens? I had always wanted to hear that, not privately but publicly from General Museveni. Anyway, it's all right that he's not here because he's in the past and we are discussing the future of our country. So I'm very glad and I hope to share ideas and to teach and learn from these our colleagues. But of course, I must assert it that the people of Uganda, especially the young generation, the new generation that I largely represent, is committed to changing their country and to taking back the right to determine their destiny. I am ready and committed to lead the charge to change Uganda, so help us the Almighty God.
Badde mbuza Mr. President fenga abavubuka otutegekedde otya okubeera ng'omusolo guno tegutunyigiriza nnyo ku buntu bwe tutandiseewo ngaffe okuba nti tuganyulwamu okuba bizikoze otugambe tuyiiye. And you mentioned something like you should wake up mulekerawo kwebaka naye tusula tutunula tuyiriba kiro na misana naye akasente kagaanyi.
Kati now Sandra has not heard of a disease called ekikulukuto.
Nakiwulirako Mr. President.
Ekikulukuto banyankole kolite ekyerwiso. In the Bible, there was a woman who had it was a hemorrhage, who was bleeding. This woman was bleeding, until she touched the garment of Jesus, and the bleeding stopped. So, the problem with African countries and other backward countries is the problem of ekikulukuto. Ekikulukuto, bleeding, the hemorrhage. If your business is in imports from outside, then you are helping the hemorrhage.
Of